you can now create some really awesome things with lighting, with decor, with seating, and try to take it, I suppose even though it's black, those black rooms, they're still quite sort of sterile, I suppose. So now we've tried to take it a bit more into sort of the, more of a relaxing area, or a bit more of a chill. It's all about the experience that you get when you walk in, the smells, everything that comes with it, the lighting. So we've just tried to incorporate that, every single element, into this room as best we can.
So produce screens where you can have custom artwork to hide the screen as well.
The new decor mask is the option. It allows an image to be printed on the front. What it does is, although we are facing the screen, although we know it's a cinema room, to stare at a blank white rectangle is not the nicest. So by having a screen, whether it's at the end of the movie, by having a drop-down image coming that basically makes the front of the room look like a huge picture, it just finishes everything off. And not only that, you can, if you wanted to listen to some music, it's all acoustically transparent.
So if you want to know more about these products and have a room that's designed like these, get in touch, Artif at Zebra Home Cinema.